Hi, my name is Maureen Hogan, and I am your instructor for this course. I'm going to kind of go through the syllabus with you. The way that you download the syllabus, I'm going to go really quickly into the course, but there's a couple ways. The first way is to click on syllabus in the course, and then you'll see that it's embedded here in the course syllabus area. And what you can do is you can click on this little download icon, and then you can either download a copy or print it to PDF. Another thing that you can do is just pop this open into full screen. And what it does is it opens it up into OneDrive. And if you are signed into OneDrive with your Wabanzi email address, then you can go ahead and save it to that OneDrive. Well, you can even use your personal one, I believe, and you can save it to OneDrive. The other way that you can do it is on your home screen um, or in modules. You're going to go to Learning Modules, and then you'll see about your course. In the introduction, the Welcome to Educational Psychology course overview. And in there, you're going to see syllabus and course schedule. So what you want to do is just download the syllabus and then click on this link to view the syllabus. So that's a couple of ways. And then again, it pops open the Wabanzi or the OneDrive. So that's a couple of ways to get to your syllabus. So now let's go through, and you're going to need this because in this first module, you're going to need your course and you're going to need the syllabus, because I do have a syllabus and course resource review, and this kind of forces you to look at different things in the course. So let's go through really quickly the syllabus so you can navigate it. Now, if you've opened it up in Microsoft, one of the things that I've done is set it up so that you can have a quick navigation view over here on the side. You do that by clicking View and then click Navigation Pane, and then you'll see all of the information laid out very nicely and neatly in categories. So you have general course information. The top part is going to be general information about the instructor, the class, and office hours, and how you can contact me. And then you have general course information, which is the course description from the Wabanzi catalog. I recommend that that you've taken at least Psychology 100 and EDU 200. It is not required, but it might help you with like if you are an educator. In EDU 200, it's an intro to education, so you learn about lesson planning, and in Psych 100, you get the foundations for education. This course does transfer to a 300 level class at universities, so and I treat it like a 300 level class, as you will find out. So it's a good idea to have that background, but if you don't worry about it. I'm here for you to ask questions. You'll see the next section is the course materials. We are using the 10th edition. They went to that this semester. So you might see, because you might see some references to the old pages from the 9th edition. I'm trying to go through and adjust those. This just came on me. I mean, I just received the book last week. So you might find some page numbers off. If you have any questions, just let me know. The course objectives are taken from the Illinois Professional Teaching Standards, from the Illinois Common Core Standards for all special educators, and from the Council for Exceptional Children. We also have the Wabanzi College Learning Outcomes, which you can see here. So you can go through and read those. But basically, these are the things that we introduce, or, the information and knowledge that you're going to gain from the course. It's quite a bit, I know. I've actually never gone through all of these, so I just teach the content. Okay, grading criteria, assignments. You will have weekly quizzes, and those are oops, let me quick fix that. That is via Canvas, because we're in a change on that. And they must be completed before 11:59 p.m. every Monday, so I release it I usually make it so even though it says they're available on Tuesday at noon, I usually open them up on Sunday nights. But you also have 3 written papers and a final research paper. The 3 written papers are I will give you a research article to read on the topics. You'll have a selection, so you won't, I won't just say you all have to read this. And then you're going to write 1 to 2 pages that are analyzing it in APA format. And then the final research paper is designed based on a lesson plan. And we'll get more into that as the semester goes on. You also will have online assignments and discussion boards each week. So here's a course grade calculator that now this is tentative, so this isn't set in stone. But you can see that the discussions are here each week. Your final project, article analysis papers, other assignments. I may add other assignments during the week. Oh, and then your quizzes. I may add other assignments depending on what you need, but these right here is what I might delete these depending on how well you're doing. So that's why they may be added or removed depending on what's going on. The next thing that you'll see is your course schedule. This is the due dates and the information that you are going to have to do. So even though I might add an assignment, I generally, when I add assignments, will calculate it as extra credit. If I deduct an assignment, I will let you know, and then we'll cross that out. So carefully, I would go through, mark these due dates, and make note of what we are going to be doing each week. Expectations are attendance on this course is required weekly. You need to check in the course each week, otherwise I deduct 10 points from your participation score, just like in a face-to-face course. And basically you just need to log in and check everything. Late work, if you're late one day from the due date, so if you turn it in on Tuesday, I do deduct 10%, so please make sure that your assignments are being turned in on time. Now, that being said, life happens. If you find that you are not going to be able to turn in something on time, you need to contact me. It is better if you contact me ahead of time, because then I relax these requirements a little bit. But if you wait, 3 weeks and then you realize you missed an assignment, well, I'm not gonna, that's not you being diligent about the course. So if it's more than 5 days late, there is a 50% deduction, but you can always turn assignments in and quizzes in. However, the last date for all work must be submitted by April 27th. That's 2 weeks before the final. And I will not accept any late work after that point. Sometimes I will have you resubmit things. So, and that's the best way to learn. So, if you do one of your article assessments and you did not get what I felt was a good enough grade, I will have you rewrite portions of that and then turn that in so that you can get a better grade. And the last day to turn any of those in is also April 27th. And the reason why it's the last day to drop the course is April 27th. So please make sure that you check that. All of these blue things are hyperlinks. You'll see these are different hyperlinks that will lead you to different places. And so to get that, you want to hold your control key and then just click. And what will happen is it will open up that web page. So that's how you can work with Microsoft Word. We have some Wabanzi resources and then contact information for Wabanzi. Now, if you have any questions about any of this, please post them in the discussion board, and have a great day.